Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Yule log. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in all of your eggs followed by the sugar and whisk everything together on a high speed until the mixture has thickened considerably in volume. It should go from orange, which is the eggs, to a very pale yellow or almost off-white colour. Once it's achieved this, you should be able to pick your whisk up and make an S shape with the mixture. Once you can then add in your sifted ingredients. Don't forget to sift your ingredients several times just to remove any impurities that may be there. Then carefully add your dry mix onto the egg mix and just fold it in with a metal spoon. A metal spoon will cut through easier and knock less air out as if you're using a spatula. Mix until you have no traces of dry ingredients, then grab your Swiss roll pan which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then pour your mixture in and just spread it out as level and consistent as possible. Once you've got your cake batter all spread out on the pan, you can then go ahead and bake it off. I will leave all that information in the blog post which you can find linked down below. Then here is what it looks like once it's out of the oven. Flip directly onto another piece of parchment paper and remove the parchment that was on the baking tin and just remove that. As you can see, this sponge is still hot as it's steaming. Then with the edge closest to me, I roll the sponge up and this will help it keep its shape and stop it or prevent it from cracking badly later on. Once you have your buttercream made and the sponge is cooled, you can go ahead and spread a generous amount over the whole entire sponge. Then go ahead and roll it up. If you don't get it consistent now, it will really show later. Make sure that you keep the roll as tight as possible as you're not looking for this to be anything other than tight, as that's what you're looking for with this. As you can tell, I took my time and just got it perfect. Pre-rolling the sponge earlier on really helps to keep that shape. Now you've got your Swiss roll, you can go ahead and cut it around 2/3 and 1/3. So with the third, you can go ahead and make another log, and that's going to go on the side to look like a trunk. I managed to get 2 from this as my Swiss roll pan is bigger than the standard one. But again, just cut it to the size of your display. I'm using this board to display it, so as you can tell, it needs to be not overly large but big enough for this. So just cut it to your board or however you're planning to display the cake. Then you can go ahead and just decorate however you like. I like to pipe buttercream on as it gives that texture of it being like a trunk or something similar. But again, it's completely up to you and you can do whatever suits you and your occasion. Some people like to spread it on, but I like piping, so I recommend doing that. To finish off the cake, you can just add some garnishes. I'm using some thyme here as that's what I had in, and if you have some red berries, place them on as well. And again, this is just for decoration and doesn't get eaten, so don't be worried, but make sure you are using stuff that is edible or that is food safe. And to finish it off, just use a light dusting of sugar, icing sugar, to get that snowy effect. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.